Welcome back. House witnessed hot debate over the issue of people covering faces with scarves while travelling. Both the Congress MLAs Marvin Godino and Alex Reginald Lorenzo had a severe clash of opinion. Alex had raised a calling attention claiming that covering of faces with scarf while travelling should not be allowed for security reasons. However, Home Minister Parrikar made it clear that covering a face is not banned under any law, and till date there is no incident reported in the state so as to doubt such people.
जायत वर्सां ल्हान सान व्हड जाली हें केन्ना नाशिल्लें आनी आतां कितें जालां अशे भशेन भंय जाता की बाबा तें somebody is coming covered. There go incidents are there. Now there are specific incidents where the mother with a child is on the bike. माय बांदून आहा भुरगें बांदून ना. So भुरग्यां बांदून नासतना मायक जो त्रास जाता भुरग्यांकूय त्रास जावपा जाय.
हांव ताजें हाका सांगता पॉयंट. Besides personal freedom, which will be infringing if we force them. If he has a traffic obstruction, I don't think. ट्रॅफिकाच्या रुला प्रमाणे ताणें तोंडार बुरखो घालूंक जायना बी अशें कांय ना. ताका दोळे उगडे असले की जालें. ताका दिसती पडूंक जाय ते कान उगडे असले की जालें. हांव ताका ताचे पेक्षा फुडलें सांगता. इफ यू वेअर अ हेल्मेट यू कांट रेकॉग्नायज एनी वन. ही मंगळसूत्र चोरतात पळय ते हेल्मेट घालून येता. बरें हेल्मेट हे कंपल्सरी बाय लॉ घालूंक जाय.
One should clearly apply one mind, especially while raising a calling attention. I think if in my clear opinion, this is an insult to the fairer sex. This should not have been even raised in this August House. Are we debating whether somebody is covering the face to hide it from dust pollution, from the ultraviolet rays and other things? And is this something to ask for ban for? As rightly said by Honorable Chief Minister.
Government has taken very clear stand.
Crash helmet gailar kon odko
order. He cannot cast aspersions because point of order. He cannot cast aspersions on me. If he wants to say something, but he cannot cast aspersions on me because I want a decision on it. He cannot make a decision. He cannot talk for me, Speaker sir. He cannot speak for me. He cannot say it is wrong to debate in the House.
ये कांग्रेस भवन नहीं.
Margao and Marmugao municipality got new vice chairpersons on Tuesday. In Marmugao, Councillor Shekar Khadapkar was elected unopposed as the vice chairperson, whereas in Margao, Bertha Cardozo won election by 4 votes.
The elections for vice chairperson in Marmugao and Margao Municipal Council were held on Tuesday. In Marmugao, Shekar Khadapkar took the charge as the new vice person of the council. He was elected unopposed.
Chairperson and vice chairperson is जमीन आसमानाचो फरक आहे. Chairperson is the authority, vice chairperson ताका सपोर्ट करप. पण हांव जेन्ना chairperson जाल्ल्या कारणान म्हाका एक्सपिरियन्स आहा, अनुभव आहा आनी एक वर्सभर chairperson म्हणून हांगासर म्युनिसिपालिटीन काडला गेल्या टेन्युअराक. हो टर्म लेडीज रिजर्वेशन जाल्ल्या कारणान लेडीजाक chairperson जावपाची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा. बट एज अ वायस चेअरपर्सन म्हाका थोडो टेन्युअर दिल्लो आहा. आमी नो प्लास्टीक फ्री करपाक जाय वास्को म्हणून आनी तेजेर आमी टोटल प्रयत्न करतले प्लास्टिका पासून प्लास्टिकान लोकांनी यूज करप ना.
In Margao, Dhananjay Mayekar and Bertha Cardozo were in the fray. However, Bertha Cardozo won the election by 4 votes. She had a total 12 votes while Dhananjay Mayekar got 8. Reporter Suren Madkaikar and Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
Dispute about organizing Shigmotsav at Margao is over and only government's organizing committee shall organize the annual Shigmotsav parade. High Court has directed government's organizing committee not to use the name Margao Shigmotsav Samiti. However, the High Court has allowed Girish Todankar group to organize other Shigmo related cultural programs.
This time, Margao will witness extended Shigmo festivities. Government's organizing committee will organize the annual Shigmotsav parade and Girish Chodankar-led group will organize other Shigmo-related cultural programs. The dispute had reached the High Court when Girish Chodankar group filed a petition, but the battle to use the name Margao Shigmotsav Samiti went against the government's organizing committee. The High Court ordered government's organizing committee not to use the name Margao Shigmotsav Samiti. This name will be used by Girish Chodankar Group. As per scheduled program, Chodankar Group known as Margao Shigmotsav Samiti will hold a 2-day Shigmo-related cultural program at Loya Madan on April 4th and 5th, and Government's Organizing Committee will organize float parade on April 7th. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Marmagaon Council will probe into the diesel theft by municipal workers from municipality vehicles. Prudent had exposed the diesel theft by the Marmagaon municipality workers. Councillors on Tuesday unanimously resolved to conduct inquiry and take action on the workers involved. This issue was brought up during Council's special meeting on Tuesday.
It seems that diesel theft was going on rampantly at Marmagaon Municipal Council since long, but none of the authorities paid heed to stop the illegality. Prudent in its sting operation had highlighted how municipal workers rob diesel from their own municipality vehicles. The issue was raised by the Chief Officer Agnello Fernandez in a special meeting on Tuesday.
You all must be aware that Prudent media had featured in a sting operation theft of diesel from our trucks, both at the garage as well as at the dumping site at Sada. Now, for whatever reason, the action is to be taken for them under the rules. I am bringing to the notice of the council.
This is continuously going on. It needs to be stopped. How you take action to really see that it shouldn't happen and the other drivers should not, they should also be scared now to do something like this.
However, it is not known whether the diesel is sold or being used somewhere else. Councillor Parrikar said the culprit should be brought to book.
इन्क्वायरी कंडक्ट केल्या उपरांत जो जर गिल्टी आसा ताका पनिशमेंट जावपाकूच जाय. बेश्टे करप्शन म्हणून कोणाचेर बोट दाखयल्यार इनोसंट शूड नॉट बी पनिश्ड अलॉंग विथ द गिल्टी. जाल्यार सारकी प्रॉपरली तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक केन्ना केन्ना कितें जाता क्रायम करता दुसरो आनी दुसरोच पनिशमेंट भोगता.
Reporter Suren Madkaikar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.